Sets in Python. Sets are a powerful data structure in Python that allow you to store unique elements. Unlike lists or tuples, sets do not preserve the order of the elements and do not allow duplicates. This makes them the tools of choice when you work with collections of items where uniqueness matters. To create a set, you can use curly braces or the built-in set function. Let's start by creating a set of fruits. Note that the elements in the set are printed in an unordered manner. Now let's add grape using the add method. The add method adds a single element to the set, and because sets only store unique elements, nothing happens if we add grape to the set again. Sets also provide methods for adding multiple items at once. Let's add a bunch of fruits using the update method. The update method takes a list of elements and adds each to the set. Duplicates are automatically removed. One common operation with sets is checking if an item belongs to it. We can use the in keyword for this. Let's check if banana is in our set of fruits. The result is true because banana is in the set. Sets also support mathematical set operations like union, intersection, and difference. The union method returns a set containing all the unique elements from both sets. The intersection method returns a set containing the common elements between the two sets, and the difference method returns a set containing the elements that are in set 1 but not in set 2. Sets are a valuable tool for handling collections of unique elements. They provide efficient operations for adding, removing, and checking the existence of elements. Sets also offer mathematical operations for combining, finding common elements, and finding differences between sets. Practice using sets in your own code and keep up the great work.